I'm not going to lie, man. I'm scared. Nobody's in this place, man. If you look around, nobody's here. Look at my back. I'm the only one coming here. So this is how the water is flowing. Usalo be na me dondo jiraga what's it going to mbo find them for them that's a canoe. So I'm going downstairs. Yeah, you longer. So when you do work, Koga? Good, oh. Okay, so much to Mahana.
What are you so for? I got my work.
Because we're my use on.
Okay.
Them working.
Yeah, work.
Mahu wa pone kwa wewe.
Ah.
Wakufunde kwa tsoshi. Okay, msoko. Via mana? Via mana? So toma hand. Okay, I'm going to balance.
Yo, balance. I am Mr. Mike Donga. I am from Bruku, local government. It's getting 20 years I am fishing. Yeah. It's my father.
Oh, your father?
Yeah. My father is a fisherman.
Okay.
Because we in the Buruku there, my father stay with the Jukum people in Buruku there. Then I learn from them.
So you learn from those Jukum people?
Yeah.
Wow.
My father learned from them, then he teach me.
Okay.
So what my father give me to do, then I choose it to do. Because my father is farming to eat, then he's farming to catch this fish and make money. Then I follow my father to fish. 5 or 6 o'clock. So sometimes I used to sleep in the river.
You sleep in the river?
Yeah.
Where do you sleep?
We do some houses to stay.
Yeah. So you sleep
Dry season we used to sleep in the riverside.
But you're not scared?
No. If I wake up, I wash my face, I brush, then I took up to the river. And after playing, then I wash my face and brush. Then took my bag to riverside. I said I sell it. Not any fish God give me, then I will catch. It's riverside, but it's dry season. Then we use to catch fish in the river. This one is a stream.
Okay, this one is a stream. So it's not good for fishing.
Yeah, like that. I use basket. I use drawing net. I use bridgie.
Since you were born, what is the biggest fish?
The biggest fish I catch in my life is Mari. I say the other time I catch, I say about 80,000.
80,000. Where did you catch the Mari?
In the riverside.
Oh, riverside. Was it dry season or rainy season?
Dry season.
Okay.
I experienced that.
Okay. How many times?
Sometimes you come, you will not have anything. But to eat, you must have.
So do you normally feel bad?
No.
Or you don't feel bad?
I don't feel bad.
Okay.
Because
I'm listening.
it's God give us. Then if you don't give us, we go thank God. Now Papa God now we're there in hand.
Okay.
Hardest part is among notice is I don't have challenge in catching fish.
Okay, so this is not hardest part.
Yes.
Challenge for you.
It's no challenge on me.
Okay, you take it as a normal life.
Yes, yeah. It's my business.
Okay.
Whether or water or
yes, water and the rain and everything. How does it affect them?
it's very foreign them. We know they care because of the water. We don't custom with them. So if the rain come, we go there to do our own. Go there to manage ourselves. Go ahead until I finish. Until I finish.
So you're not scared of the weather?
No. We master it. No, it's the the rain come and cease. Then if it come to fall normal, we used to catch. And normally current never dey like that.
So this
We are needing current on top of water.
So when the current is here,
I will catch.
You catch plenty fish.
Plenty fish and big fish, man.
So why is that?
You know, see, some of the fish, when current dey, then we follow current by force to go bush, to go and lay egg. Then from there we were getting it.
So as they are going to go and lay egg, you will just be catching
yeah.
So, this is a big catch. He's even smiling.
That's why sometimes they do.
So, does your family normally support you in fishing?
Yeah,
Okay, they support you.
yeah.
So they always come here to help you.
Some of time of drawing net, then normally come here to help me.
So your family will come here to help you during
Yes.
the drawing net. That's dry season.
Dry season.
That's good.
Because drawing net, they know they draw only one person. Now 4 people.
Okay. So it's not something for one person.
No, 4 people. in my life, I build house in my village. I build house in Makodi.
You do fishing?
Yeah.
That's serious. So you build house in your village, you build house in Makodi?
Yeah.
Then I'm a pass.
Hankali. Ya mutumin. Ka dawo? Mun gode. Kanu.
So guys, we're in the river here doing fishing stuff. Just wait for the video. The video is massive. The outcome is
Baka how are you? Yeah, okay. So.
so according to Baba, now we are coming to the first place where that's another part. So stay tuned.
Aqui. No.
What's on there?
Tôi có đua ra cái này. Quả nó gì tôi nhà quả bò. Cái này bùa đây nhà sao? Yeah.
Do it. Time for me to go out.
Do it.
Okay.
Actually, on the class shift in the game. Akpè.
Akpèjẹ.
Akpè.
Mama.
Akpè ga. Ba shock ga. Baby.
So we just finished, and then I just need to pick this small one to go and eat because he needs to go inside and then continue with the work. Not woman, they will kind of Whoa. So again, yeah, today.